The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is a compact device that fits discreetly on your windshield, automatically capturing incidents with precise date and timestamps. Offering high-definition video quality, this dash cam records in 1080 pixels and features a wide 140-degree field of view for detailed footage in various lighting conditions. The built-in Garmin Clarity polarizer lens is a standout feature, effectively reducing windshield glare to enhance video clarity. With a subscription to the Vault, users can benefit from automatic storage of important video clips online, easily accessible through the Garmin Drive smartphone app. Voice control functionality in multiple languages allows users to effortlessly manage video saving and audio recording without taking hands off the wheel. Additional peace of mind is provided by the parking guard feature, which alerts users via smartphone notifications if an incident is detected while the vehicle is parked.